Welcome to Working with Wyatt. Today we're talking shower valves. Shower valves control if it's hot or if it's cold. And it also controls if it's going to go to the shower head or to the tub filler. Before we put this in the wall, we have to put these pipe adapters on it. What is it again? Pipe adapter. PEX adapter. PEX adapter.
Yeah.
Pipe adapter. What? Pipe adapter. Adapter. Pipe adapter. We already put the Teflon tape on it. Pro tip, make sure you put it on right so it doesn't come off when you screw it in. Now we have to put the Teflon paste on it so we get it with the grooves. This is what it should look like. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now that we got them started, we have to push them in with a wrench. This is the shower valve we just worked on. This is where the tub will fill. This is where the shower will fill. This is the hot water valve, and this is the cold water valve. But we gotta get this red thing off. Now you know what's in your walls. Shower valve. Shower valve. Shower valve. Shower valve. Nailed it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share to your favorite kid. Besides me, of course.